Gavanas ma pachoka pod kod ngur mathoth kaluwore kod tudruok margi kod piny owacho mamalo. Kata kamano jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua wacho ni obiro temo matek mar yudo duoko ne ngurgo kapok mar omenda en achiel kuom gigo ma Gavanas yuago ahinya. E romo mar ariyo higani ewi twak mar pok mar omenda ne sirikande kod weche mag uchumi ywak, piny owacho mamalo singo luwo machiegni kendo yudo duoko ne thoth ngur ma kaontis ni godo. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua yango ni piny owacho owito oko gope maromo milion 117 ma kembe mag rego sukari ni godo ka kembe go koro ibiro taa gi ji giwegi.
The council confirmed the progress of the sugar sector reforms, noting that the cabinet had endorsed the proposed leasing model of public-owned sugar companies and approved a write-off of 117 million Kenya shillings. A consultative forum for the sugar industry will be held within the next 2 weeks.
Gavanas nochwalo ng'ur ewi milion 50 mane piny owacho mamalo ng'ado ewi bajadigi, rem e omenda michiwo negi mar loso apeini, nok mar omenda mag rakruok gi midhiero mag koth El Nino e kind ng'ur mamoko.
And the Water Act 2016. Our ask to ywak is a degazettement of the designated national public water works through revocation of legal notice 102 as contained in the Kenya Gazette Supplement number 43, mandatory consultation of county governments and the general public as required under the Constitution of Kenya. Counties have submitted their El Nino preparedness plans, which have been shared with the Office of the Deputy President. Your Excellency, the total budget required to avert, minimize, and respond to the effects of El Nino is 15 billion. However, only 1.9 billion is available in the county budgets, resulting in a deficit of about 13 billion.
Rigathi singo maru yo chenro mar yudo duoko ne thoth ywak ma Gavanas nigo.
The council will resolve to convene a consultative forum next week, bringing together the Council of Governors, the Ministry of Roads, various road agencies, the CRA. The forum aims to facilitate discussions on the equitable distribution of funds from the Road Maintenance Levy Fund between the two levels of government, with the intention of reaching an out-of-court resolution. We'll have a discussion with the Public Works and the governors, and we'll give the appropriate instructions so that we let the counties manage their own funds in a prudent manner, so that those headquarters can be built and they can be useful to those counties, because is the right thing to do.
Piny owacho mamalo kod mag gwenge osingo tiyo kamoro achiel e bero chenro duto mag piny owacho ka kaontis ijiwo mondo med kwano osuru